Welcome to day 50 of our Confidence to Cash 90 Day Sprint. And I can hardly believe where we are right now, friends, in this incredible milestone. You've made it more than halfway through a transformational journey, showing up day after day with determination and courage. Most people never reach this point. They give up, but you're still here, you're still growing, and you're still pushing forward. That says everything about who you're becoming and the success that lies ahead. Today isn't about learning something new or adding another strategy to your toolkit. Instead, we're going to pause and we're going to celebrate how far you've already come. This moment of reflection is just as important as any tactical training that you've done so far together. Think back where you were 50 days ago. Maybe you're struggling with that clarity or about your addiction. Perhaps you are wrestling with impostor syndrome or doubting whether you could even really build a successful online business. You might have been hesitant to put yourself out there, uncertain about the message of your work. You're creating content consistently. You're showing up online with authenticity. And you're mastering new skills and building sustainable systems. And most importantly, believing in what's possible for your future. It's not just progress, friends. This is a complete transformation in how you show up in the world. We often underestimate our progress because we're so focused on the road ahead. It's like climbing a mountain. And when you're in the middle of the climb, all you see is how far you still have to go. But take a moment now. I want you to look back at the distance that you've covered. Every single post that you've made, every video that you've recorded, every time you chose faith over fear, those were steps towards your freedom. So you've built something remarkable in these first 50 days. You've developed consistency. You're showing up even if you didn't even feel like it. You've cultivated courage. You're pushing past that comfort zone and you're trying. You're so trying new things. And most importantly, you've generated momentum. That powerful force, that's going to carry you through the next 40 days and even stronger than before. Now I have a special assignment for you today. Take some time to reflect deeply on 3 important questions. First, what are you most proud of from these first 50 days? Think about your biggest wins, your breakthrough moments, the obstacles that you've overcome. Second, what fears have you overcome and released? Consider how you've gained emotionally and mentally. What things that used to scare you now feel manageable or even exciting. This is where the real transformation happens, in shifting your mindset and expansion of your comfort zone. Third, what lesson or skill has helped you grow the most? Maybe it's something technical like mastering content creation, or perhaps it's something internal like learning to trust your intuition and value your expertise. Your growth in this area is laying the foundation of your future success. I want you to truly write down your answers to these questions, but better yet, start a short video sharing your reflections. This isn't just for you, it's for your entire community. When you share your journey, you inspire others and reinforce your own progress. Post your reflections in your community space. Let's celebrate your wins together, because when you take time to acknowledge your growth, you multiply your motivation. It's like putting fuel in your tank for your journey ahead. So remember, this is the fundamental truth. Success isn't built in giant leaps or overnight transformations. It's built in daily steps of obedience, of courage, and consistency. The small actions that you've been taking every day are adding up to massive changes. You've already proven that you have what it takes. You've shown up for 50 consecutive days, pushing past those obstacles, learning new skills, and building your confidence. Now imagine what the next 40 days could look like if you maintain the same energy and the belief. Here's your day 50 challenge. Write down a post, create a comment, or make a journal entry celebrating your biggest wins from the past 50 days. Share it in your community using hashtag ConfidenceToCash so that we can celebrate together. Your victory might be exactly what someone else needs to hear to keep going. Make sure you join us tomorrow for day 51's training. We'll be diving deep into building confidence on camera so that you can continue showing up boldly and authentically in your content. The best is truly yet to come. Keep believing, keep showing up, keep taking those daily steps towards your dreams. Your future self will thank you for the foundation that you're building right now. See you tomorrow.